Hello everyone, I'm Marc from Euresys. We are at the Vision Show in Stuttgart, and I will walk you through our booth and show you the nice demonstration we have prepared for you today. First, we have a lot of systems running CoaXPress CXP12. It's a new version of the CoaXPress interface at 12 gigabit per second. We have a camera outputting more than 2,000 frames per second, 2 megapixel cameras connected to 40-meter cables, and our new CoaXLink Quad CXP12. We have our CoaXLink Octo connected to 5 cameras displaying live images. But today, I would like to focus on the eVision, on the open eVision libraries with demonstration of our new Easy3D and Easy Deep Learning libraries. Easy3D from the Open eVision libraries is actually a 3D toolbox. It's a set of software functions in libraries that allows you to process point clouds and depth maps coming from 3D sensors. Here we have a nice application showing how to inspect the PCB, the height of the component, the position of the components using 3D data coming from a third-party sensor. Easy Deep Learning is our classification library based on CNNs. CNN stands for Convolutional Neural Networks. We use deep learning techniques in this demonstration to inspect small ceramic tiles. We can detect surface defects, we can inspect the shape and the overall aspect of the tiles. This is a pretty fast demonstration. We use a GPU and we run at up to 140 inspections per second.